Hello students, today we are going to start our geography lesson. So let's get started. Open your geography book. Open the lesson number 2, Indo-Genetic Movements. Page number 9. Do you know what is the natural calamities? Yes, you are correct. Sometimes the natural calamities or events like floods, storms, snowfall, earthquake, rainfall, volcanic eruption occur on the earth. As you all knew that what happened last month due to the cyclone in Raigad district. So that was also a natural disaster. And due to that disaster, there were loss of life and property because of that calamities. So let's see. Here is the news. Read the following news and observe the photograph and answer the questions. Nepal devastated. Main headline is Powerful earthquake rocks Nepal, nearly 1,500 killed. Kathmandu date is 25 April in bracket PTI. Do you know what is the meaning of PTI? Yes, PTI is the Press Trust of India. And due to that powerful earthquake measuring 7.9 on Richter scale struck Nepal, today nearly 1,500 people killed and over 1,000 people were injured in the disaster. So this is the disaster of the Nepal. See the below question answers of this picture. Figure number 2.1, newspaper snippet. First one, what caused the large scale casualties? Due to casualties, nearly 1,500 people were killed and over 1,000 people were injured in the disaster. See the second question. What was the magnitude of earthquake? The earthquake magnitude was the 7.9. Which country was the most affected by this earthquake? Nepal was most affected. What was the epicenter of the earthquake? So main center means epicenter of that earthquake was Lamjung in Nepal. What are the other affected areas? That was the India, Bangladesh and Pakistan also experienced the tremors. What kind of damage in a scene because of the earthquake? So many buildings, houses were collapsed. So many people also dead. According to you, what could be the reason behind the earthquake? Do you know what was that reason? Because tremendous pressure into the earth. So due to that, the earthquake were happened. Have you ever experienced a similar earthquake? Discuss. This question you should write in your own words. So you should all these question answers in your notebook. So various natural events occur on the earth from time to time. For example, flood, storm, snowfall, extreme rainfall, etc. Similarly, because of movements below the earth's surface, natural events like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. For the organism living on earth, these events are the disasters. There is a loss of life and property because of natural calamities. And in this lesson, we will get introduced to these endogenetic movements, internal movements of the earth. Now, see, here is the earth structure. You can see here crust, lithosphere, asthenosphere, mantle, outer core. So these are the main structure of the earth. Why the nature of endogenic movements occur? First one is tremendous energy is released by radioactive materials in the mantle. Tremendous pressure released by radioactive materials through the mantle. You can see the core or a core and mantle of into the earth. These energy waves travel from one place to another. Due to such a flow of energy, instability is caused in the mantle. And generally, these movements in the Earth's interior occur in the upper layer of mantle. So, mantle is a layer inside a planetary body and bounded below by a core and above by a crust. And mantles are made of rocks or ices and are generally the largest and most massive layer of the planetary body. Mantles are characteristic of planetary bodies that have undergone differentiation by density. So today we learn that what is the endogenetic movements. So you should write all that question answers in your notebook. Thank you.